Do you receive automatic payments deposited directly into your bank account? In our latest release, Evosus gives you the ability to skip the process of manually creating a bank deposit for these direct deposits, such as EFT or ACH transactions. First, you'll need to set up a new payment method. So we'll go to Administration, Accounting, General Setup, Payment Methods. From the Collection category, select your check type ACH payment option. You may have a different name for this payment method, such as check EFT. This payment option can only be set up for the payment method type check, and you may want to set this up to not display as a payment method in point of sale, as you see here. Check the Is Automatic Deposit checkbox and click OK. When you use this payment method, a bank deposit will be automatically created for the default preferred bank account assigned to the store you're currently logged into so that you can reconcile your bank statement at the end of the month. Let's walk through a transaction together so you can see how this works. In this scenario, we receive a monthly ACH deposit into the account at our bank from our customer, Paul Black. We need to add this into the bank account in Evosus so everything balances. Let's apply this payment to Paul's account so we can see this process in action. Now, let's go to the Search Deposits screen. Here is the bank deposit that was automatically created for your store when we added the payment to the customer's account using the check ACH payment method. You can see the deposit date, which is the date the deposit was created in Evosus, the Evosus bank account that the deposit was added to, a comment that includes the payment information, and the store. Do you use the option to receive check payments in batch? Simply use the Check ACH payment method on the batch entry screen and Evosus will automatically create a bank deposit for each ACH payment you enter for your store. Once a payment is included in a bank deposit, it cannot be voided until you void the corresponding bank deposit. On the other hand, manually voiding a bank deposit will not automatically void its originating payment. You must delete the deposit, then void the payment. Voiding a deposit will make the transaction available to select for deposit in the Make Deposit screen. Please note that a bank deposit cannot be voided if it is already included in a bank rec. Occasionally, you may need to go into Evosus to correct the payment method used on a transaction if someone has selected the wrong method. A payment method on an existing transaction cannot be updated to or from the automatic bank deposit payment method. When processing a refund for a customer with the automatic bank deposit payment method, you will receive this message letting you know that refunding this payment method will not create a reverse bank deposit. In this case, you will need to manually void the bank deposit by going to the Search Deposits screen. For more information on automatically deposited payments, please refer to the release notes or contact support at evosus.com.